Let's go get some.
Yo guys, and welcome back to another video on the Broken Low Garage YouTube channel once again. Today we have Jared over here for some maintenance on the Polo. Jared's inner CV starting to make clucking noises, and if you're driving at let's say 120 kilometers per hour on the freeway, there's like a weird feeling on the car that you can actually feel if you sit passenger in the car. So we did check and the inner CV is definitely gone. So we're gonna be replacing that today. Very messy job. And then we also have Mr. 2K24 here. He's busy working on his Accord over there. I did see a request in the comments that you guys want to see the boys doing some work and getting together. So I have all the boys here today to work on the cars. I'm here for the vibes, for the moral support and for the content. Jared is gonna loosen his wheels now, get the car in the air and do all of those nice things. And then we're gonna take it from there. So enjoy the video guys.
A few moments later.
Right to Jared update.
Old CV. I think he did his job now.
I can still put some
Still
silicone
going
there.
No, pretty still. It
Still
was
good.
good. But yeah, we got new one. Shout out to Luciano by Goldwagen. Monkey
I'll put this number in the description down below if you guys need parts from Goldwagen, Brackenfell. If you guys wanna attempt this job at home, it's fairly easy. What we did was we loosened these three ball joint nuts over here. You can move the control arm, then you just pull this out, and then on the box itself there's 6 of these M8 splines that you need to loosen. Then you pull this out, pull the whole side shaft out, and then Bob's your uncle. So now we're just gonna rebuild the
CV.
new CV over to the shaft, grease it up, and fit it back exactly the way we took it out. I mean, this took us what? Half an hour to get out,
30 minutes.
and that's by being slow.
And away we took our time.
So, yeah, really simple. Now, what you're gonna wanna do when you completely remove the inner CV is a little circlip that you can't see on camera on here that locks. It's like in here. It's a little clip here that you wanna take off, and that will allow the CV to slide off, because if you don't take it off, you're gonna struggle to get the CV off. And remember to put the circlip back in when you put the new CV on. There should be a new circlip, otherwise the CV will come loose and keep on popping out if you don't put the circlip in, so keep that in mind. So what Torian is doing is taking his coilovers out of the Accord, putting stock stuff back in. If you know anything about stock suspension, it's quite tall, so it's a struggle to get it in. And we're gonna try to get the struts in here now. Jared is already on top of Torian. I don't know what's going on here. One more.
Wat is heeltemal skiep, guys? Allee.
Can put up.
Can put up, yeah? Nou, hoi. Hoi, daar allemaal. Staan ze.
Jongen, kijk wat steekt erin. Kabel. Standing on the first one.
It's in. Now I'm gonna put the sounds. Only for silent.
Je gaat zien dit aan bezoeken.
Update time, guys. So we got the Polo back together. CV's in, and we discovered something else on Jared's car that I want to show you guys. So, keep going. Whoa! Almost a wheel fall on its face, but we discovered this,
Sign of wealth, no?
guys.
Sign of wealth.
That one
Is not
is
good.
not good at all. Jared felt some sort of,
Vibration.
nah, it was a bounce.
Bounce.
You felt a bounce. So we had to take the wheel off. Unfortunately, he's gonna have to get a tire. He must have flip. He must have flip, Gazi. You look bad. But yeah, so the Polo has a steely on now. And now I'm gonna test drive the car quickly to see if everything is good with the CV.
Chop my money.
Excited because this car is good again. Guys, the car is driving as smooth as ever. No wobbles, no noises. Everything is good. Job well done. I thought you'd taken enough money to pay us. That one is not good.
Very dirty now, drinker. Not like this, my brother. LG servicing.
What's the next step now?
Now we must take out the coilover. We got him in the air now. So we're gonna replace this with a normal strut, normal
Stock.
stock. No, stock socket jobber and stock spring. As I'm selling my car and I'm very sad. But yeah, I think this is the end of the era for me.
School shoes in front. As you guys know, Torian owns this CU2 wagon now. And this car also has a set of coilovers in with adjustable camber arms and all of the nice things. But I think this thing is perfect just as it is. Because as soon as you start lowering a car, you start breaking bumpers, you start scraping the bottom of the car, and this thing is still in pristine condition. So yeah, that's it for that.
The next day.
How you feeling?
Sold, so pretty good feel, bro. So yeah.
You got this one, man.
Guys, I'm looking for this bad boy Type R diesel.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
There you have it, guys. Torian CL9 Accord is officially sold. And sad day for Torian, but on to better things, on to new things. And in the meanwhile, I actually have a package that came last week that I've been wanting to unbox on the channel. So Torian and I are gonna unbox that package real quick for you guys. Shout out to the courier guy for dropping the package.
Right.
What do you think is in there?
Let me feel first. Rush feels. I have no idea. I have no idea what's in there. But it's always nice to unbox a present of two. So what? No? Bags for the wagon? Aha, dat is ik speel hem tegen helemaal niet zo beetje. So this is 2 sleeve bags. You know what?
Open it.
Alright, okay. Ja, dat is nog goed.
Here's a knife.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, Kazi. Is it this one?
Gosh, sleeve bags.
So here we have it, guys. 2 sleeve bags for MK1. This is for a customer. So if you guys want to order bags, let me know. Might be able to assist with that. It's super windy outside, that's why we're here in the garage right now. But before we end this video, we actually have a few things for sale and available. So let me show you guys that quickly. Over here we have a set of Nissan 350Z wheels with 215/35 tires available. So you guys can DM me on Instagram or DM Torian on Instagram. I'll put his details in the description down below. And we also have a set of CL9 Coilovers that is like probably 6 months old. So you guys can just message Torian or message me and we can hook you guys up with these things. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe.